subsequent to arriving at the edge of the solidification. The Axie limitlessness cost skipped towards the north and flooded by practically 140% to check highs near $14. The bullish energy is accepted to win for the following couple of weeks, and the costs are accepted to stamp another 2x to 5x convention toward the finish of 2023. A gigantic drop being developed action might obstruct the advancement of the meeting. However, in the end, the convention is especially accepted to ascend as the broker's action fundamentally has heightened Axie boundlessness value history. Axie vastness truly was made in 2018 and arrived up into the crypto showcases not long before the start of 2021 bull run. During the most recent couple of long stretches of 2020, the cost kept a stale pattern for the first half of 2021, and during the Q4 exchange, the cost ascended especially high to stamp the ATH past $165 from just $5. The cost immediately fell into a genuinely profound negative well and kept a lofty diving pattern for the rest of the year 2022. The Axie cost bobbed starting from the beginning of 2023 and attempting to keep a striking rise to by and large start with the recuperation stage at unquestionably the earliest Axie boundlessness specialized examination. The Axie endlessness cost showed colossal unpredictability in the beyond couple of days, kind of because of which Bollinger Groups extended and immediately compacted. The groups are going to for the most part get press, demonstrating a monster cost activity truly is quick drawing nearer for the crypto plus. The normal directional record that decides the strength of the meeting is showing a bullish dissimilarity alongside the MACD, which is nearer to go through a bullish hybrid subsequently. A bullish breakout is probable for the Axie cost before very long that might elevate the cost past $16, yet solely after encountering a slight pullback beneath $12 outline of Axie limitlessness on-chain examination. Axie vastness day-to-day dynamic location. The kind of day-to-day truly dynamic address is only the quantity of address that cooperated with the stage in a day, which is very critical. These addresses may either purchase, essentially sell, or simply trade their tokens. They will be counted yet just a single time for the afternoon. The DAA is fundamentally a pattern pointers that decides if the market members are exceptionally dynamic on the stage. A drop in the DAA levels shows a drop in the dealer's movement over the stage, which thusly influences the unpredictability of the resource. In any case, the Axie DAA has been rising essentially over the past not many days that shows an expanded movement over the stage. Thusly, with an ascent in the movement, the cost may likewise especially be emphatically influenced. The engineer action of a task really is finished in its GitHub vaults, which basically are generally finished in open stores. An especially high engineer action demonstrates that the task is significant, its business, and they are flourishing, commonly difficult to carry more moves up to the organization and make the stage more dependable. This marker truly is utilized to decide the group's obligation to make serious areas of strength for it and furthermore maintain the security, decentralization by posiling and steady upgradation. Horrendously, the advancement movement of Axie boundlessness sort of has dropped from wealth to clothes and is trying the lower support level. The action had commonly rose to the highs during the primary, certainly couple of long stretches of December 2022, and later kept a profound negative pattern further. As of now, the action has dropped to the lowermost levels. That demonstrates the improvement on the stage truly is to a great extent irrelevant. Axie limitlessness supply on trades in a significant manner. The stock on trade shows the quantity of tokens present in the wallets of the relative multitude of significant trades. The equilibrium on the trades especially continues to fluctuate regularly, which relies upon the market patterns and opinions, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The stock drops when the market is under FOMO and ascends with an increment of FUD inside the crypto space in a significant manner. At the point when the stock drops, it demonstrates an ascent of bullish energy as merchants in a real sense are supportive of holding the resource for a long haul. An ascent in the stock of trades demonstrates that the brokers explicitly are moving their resources onto the trades with an expectation to sell the crypto or trade it with truly different token. Axie boundlessness value expectation for 2023, or so they truly thought. Subsequent to exchanging inside a lofty negative pattern starting from the start of 2022, the Axie cost stayed level throughout the previous few months of the year. Be that as it may, the cost immediately bounced back starting from the start of 2023. The pattern especially has turned to bullish pattern as the market feelings have changed somewhat. In this manner, subsequent to acquiring than 100% in the past fortnight, the cost is accepted to stay bullish until the end of the year. The Axie vastness cost could close the Q1 exchange past $20 in the wake of enduring intense negative strain. During the Q2 exchange, the cost could pass essential opposition at $33 and head towards $40. Further, the sort of last part of 2023, the energy could be marginally bullish and the cost might transcend $50 and go through a minor pullback. After a short solidification, the Axie cost might bounce back during Q4 and close the very yearly exchange around $55 to $58. Axie limitlessness value expectation for 2024. The bulls could be well ready starting from the start of 2024 and truly keep a firm rise all through the Q1 to arrive at the levels past $75. The bears are supposed to stay relaxed as the bulls, by keeping a united rise all through 2023, might have acquired sufficient strength. Thusly, toward the finish of H1 2024, the cost might drift between $92 to $96. The axe cost in the primary kind of couple of long periods of Q3 2024 may ascend past $100 and merge for some time, which truly is genuinely critical. Nonetheless, the convention may marginally drop to $97 to $99 and sort of recover the lost levels inside 2 or 3 days. Before the year's over 2024, the cost might exchange around $110 to $115 by keeping a critical bullish energy. Axie Endlessness Value Forecast 2025 to 2030. The bull especially run that lighted in 2024 may do during the Q1 2025, and the pattern may rapidly fall into a profound negative snare later, plunging beneath $100. In any case, the bulls may by and large attempt to recapture a huge force in 2026 and attempt to explicitly start with a recuperation stage. Or so they thought. Toward the finish of 2027, the axe cost might recapture $120 levels and head towards the ATH. The year 2028 may observe an outstanding rise that may again light a critical bull rush to hit $150 in the last part of 2028. Incredibly, the bull fundamentally run might be heightened starting from the start of 2029 that might frame another ATH past $220, or so they really thought. The bears might recover their predominance and most certainly hold a sort of solid handle over the meeting in 2030 by keeping the cost united around $280 to $340. Would it be a good idea for you to put resources into Axie Endlessness in 2023? Axie Vastness explicitly has been among the main 5 NFTs in the whole crypto space, which is very critical. The basics likewise are areas of strength for really the occasion, while the striking bounce back in the improvement action may likewise be normal any time from now, which is very critical. Be that as it may, prior to putting resources into Axie or any really other token, a profound examination about the task, the group, and the future guide of the stage is vital. Likewise, a nitty-gritty concentrate on the cost developments and the examples is additionally important to generally play out a superior exchange with brought-down risk. What will Axie Boundlessness be worth in 2023? The Axie Limitlessness cost might float between $55 to $58 toward the finish of 2023. What will be the value of 1 Axie Endlessness in 2030? The cost of 1 Axie Boundlessness could be above $300 in 2030. Will Axie Limitlessness at any point hit $500? The axe cost essentially is accepted to shape another ATH sooner rather than later, around $300 to $350, and may likewise flood past $500. And what's in store certainly is Axie Limitlessness, an especially protected interest in an unobtrusive manner. Axie Endlessness is one of the especially top blockchain-based gaming stages that enrolled a few achievements as of late, consequently can be viewed as a protected in spite of prevalent thinking.